how to block emails containing a specific word in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Now click Spam Filters icon. From this Email Filters interface, you can create a variety of filters for incoming email. You can block emails containing a specific word. Let's start. Click to open the drop-down list of Block By and then select the Stop Word option. Enter that specific word contained in spam emails in the text input box provided. Then click Block button. Success! You now know how to block emails containing a specific word. Thank you for watching.